Hello viewers, today I want to talk about my principles. Yes, I have principles. My principles of rustic Asian rice wine. What's important to me when I'm brewing? What do I want to show you on this channel? It is rustic Asian rice wine, R-A-R-W. The reason I'm stating it in this way is a more general way than just talking about makgeolli, because I'm also interested in Chinese rice wines, experimenting with rice wines from other countries, not just Korea, but it is important to me that these are rustic. So the rice wines that I'm interested in, they can't be fussy, they can't require specialized equipment. They have to adapt to the environment, to the seasons. And they have to be robust recipes that are just naturally going to succeed. I don't want to fool around with some fussy recipe that's only going to work in very specific circumstances. These rustic recipes are tried and true, and the methods they use are very reliable. That's what I want to learn about. That's what I want to brew. So that's an important principle for me. Some of the other aspects of it, these rustic brews, they don't use a lot of containers. You mix your brew, you might transfer it into the fermentation vessel, but you're not transferring it back and forth, doing anything fancy like that. It's got to brew in the fermentation jar or container, and you might have to filter it at the end, but put it in a different container. But you're being very efficient. You're not wasting your effort, and you're not wasting materials. You're getting as much product, as much alcohol out of your ingredients as possible. So you're making the most use of these valuable agricultural ingredients. That's part of the rustic Asian rice wine principle that I want to follow. And also, obviously, I'm not trying to duplicate commercial brews. That would be too difficult and would probably lead me astray. So that's another reason that I'm focusing on the rustic aspect of it. I'm not trying to make, industrial quantities of it. I'm really trying to make really small scale quantities, but with a reliable, robust recipe. All right, so those are my principles. It's got to be rustic, robust, reliable recipe, not fussy, make the most use of your ingredients, not wasteful, adapting to your environment and the seasons. So those are the principles that I want to follow when I'm brewing and that I want to show you on this channel. Hope you found this interesting. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.